G'day. Now, one of the main features of nuBuilder, and always has been a feature of nuBuilder, is the fact that the code that's written, PHP, JavaScript, SQL, all the customized stuff that you do, is stored in the database, which means that when you download the database, it means you've just got a backup of everything. Now, one of the advantages of that too is from that backup, you've got all the field names, table structures, everything sitting in that one file, which means that if we find something that we need changing globally, like this here, you can see that we have this field spelt wrong in the database and in the code. So we really want to change that, and rather than trying to think of everywhere it exists, all we need to do is download the whole database and go and do a search for the field name that's slightly wrong, and we can fix it all here. So that when we go back to the database, take this and upload it to the database, then all of these fields, code, table structure, bits, they'll all be changed. Just from a simple search and replace. So now, let's just delete everything. Now load up the copy that has our changes in it. I'll log out and log back in again, just make sure everything's cool. Okay, we can see our field names changed there, it's great. And we can see in the table structure the same thing. It's a feature of nuBuilder that no one really talks about much, but it's worth knowing.